You're all buckled up, but you're swinging all by yourself, and it's kind of weird because there's nothing on. I turned it off, and you figured out.
She's like, I got this.
You're silly. You're silly.
She's like, we don't need no stinking electricity.
She keeps grabbing her feet, too. Bless you.
Bless you.
You're talented, girl. Yes, you are.